Hey YouTube, this is Alicia, my last video of the night, and I wanted to come and talk about these YouTubers because these YouTubers are some YouTubers I love to see their techniques. Love seeing their makeup techniques and everything because it's like I might watch them for something different, fashion or makeup wise or lifestyle wise. So let's get started. So the first one is named Taisha. Oh my god, I recently just started watching her, and the only thing, the reason I like her, I love her colorful makeup looks. I mean, that is one thing. And the one thing I like about it is because I've been buying a makeup brand that she features in her channel a lot, and that is the Profusion Cosmetics. And I love how she does it. She has this one with this all blue look. Baby got my head turning if I want to do an all blue look too. So yeah, she is pretty good. And the other one is Andrea Renee. She got my middle name, so hey. Um I love her channel. She is beautiful as I don't know. But like I don't say, she's one makeup artist, one makeup person on here that I will watch and watch techniques. These are people who I watch for makeup techniques. And mostly, and I come up with my own techniques at the same time. So yeah, these are girls who I look up to, hoping to be on the same caliber as them one day. So yeah, the other one is Lizzie Hart. Now I like Miss Lizzie Hart. Excuse me, Miss MSLIZ Hart HART. Oh my God, I will leave their names below. But she is a one that I like her for her lifestyles and stuff. It's just her videos are so different, so unique, and I love her for her lifestyles because I have gone through a lifestyle change. So yes, that's why I like her. Now another makeup artist, she I support her because one, um, I have I like her makeup. I love her skills and everything, and that would be Jaclyn Hill. I like Jaclyn Hill. I love her makeup tutorials, especially the Halloween ones. When the Halloween comes, yeah. Now somebody else who I forgot to put on this is Nicole Guerrero. Oh my God, I love her channel. I've been watching her for some years as well, and she is good. I love her makeup, especially her Halloween makeup. So yeah. So another person who makeup tutorials I love, like I don't know, I like love confusely, is Tiara Walker. Now Tiara Walker is a girl who I started watching several years ago, and she is somebody that I just love her channel. I love when she does celebrity inspired makeup looks. I love when she does oh my God, I just love her channel in general, but I would recommend her because this video came about. I'm gonna get to the end, and when I get to the end, I'm gonna tell you why I did this video. Another one is Niki Tutorials. Oh my God, now I'm a huge fan of Niki Tutorials and think because Niki Tutorials is one of my favorite Caucasian YouTubers at the moment because I love her makeup tutorials, and two of my favorite makeup tutorials she has ever done on her channel was one when Sir John was doing her makeup, and the other one was when Rihanna's makeup director for Fenty was doing her makeup. Oh my God, can I say I love that video? So yeah, I would recommend her. Now, let me get to these others. So these others are my top YouTubers, and I will give you up. So first is Tymethefamous. I've been watching Tymethefamous, ever since I started watching YouTube back in the day, and as I started my channel. And I loved it how her makeup looks, even though it's out there, but she has some really good technique. I will give her props. She has really good techniques, really good color combinations and everything. But this is a girl I will watch. I can watch for days, even though her channel, her videos are a little lengthy. I don't mind it because it's worth it. It's worth it of watching and everything. But one of my, if I could say anything about Time, one of my favorite makeup tutorials she has ever did was this orange spice. I think it's the orange spice makeup tutorial for fall she did. And another one was her Doja Cat inspired makeup look. Oh my god, I went bananas, and I showed it to my aunt, and my aunt went crazy. My auntie went crazy as well. So yeah. Oh my god, who else? Miss Jackie Aina. I've been watching her since I started my YouTube channel, and I love her. I love her channel and everything because I love that I love that she wants everything to be black girl friendly. I just, that's the one thing I love about Jackie Aina, especially when I can see a woman who's my complexion, who shows me what, what is a good positivity channel and stuff. So yes, Miss Jackie Aina. The next one is Miss Creative Diva. Oh my god, I've been watching her since the beginning. So yes, I've been watching her since the beginning, and I like her channel. I love how creative and everything she is. So now we are down to my top two. So one of my girls that I love to watch all the time is Platinum D. I love to watch her YouTube channel, even though it's like I'm saying, some of their tutorials are lengthy. It's worth it because I am learning so much new stuff from her each and every week and stuff. So I just love that they are showing good makeup tips, and you get to see different looks they're making, and I like that. Now, last but not least is Miss Anitra B. Now I have to give her a shout out because I live in Mississippi and she lives in Alabama. So we are neighboring state YouTubers. Let's just put that. And she is the reason why I love watching her channel, but I love seeing her family on her channel. They are so cute and everything. She is cute. I love seeing her channel. I love seeing her do well in everything. But yes, these are some of my favorite, like I'm saying, YouTubers and everything. And y'all, if y'all want to know why I did this YouTube video, I always get, oh my god, I always get DM'd by my subscribers, and they always ask me, Alicia, who is your favorite YouTubers you watch from back in the day that you still watch to this day? These are the YouTubers. These are some current and oldies that I love to watch on YouTube. So y'all, let me hear from y'all, which out of everybody who I named, who is your favorite YouTuber that you watch? Okay, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.